Hello, and good afternoon, everyone. I'm Penelope Poinsettia, and this is my Anchor Graham.
Hello, I'm Graham Cracker. Hope everyone's having a lovely day.
Breaking news today, George Hadley and Lydia Hadley have been killed. Graham Cracker has more to say, so let's go over to him.
Yes, tragic news. Police found themselves at a smart house today having to do with the death of George Hadley and Lydia Hadley. They were supposedly eaten by lions, but the kids had another story to tell. Both Peter and Wendley Hadley say they killed their own parents because they threatened to shut their smart house down.
Oh my goodness! And those kids will go on trial next Monday. How terrible is that? Hey, Graham!
Yes?
Did you hear about the man with the very realistic tattoos?
No, I haven't. Tell me more.
Okay, well this mystery man, or as some people call him, the illustrated man, has very realistic pictures on his body that's supposed to tell the future. Even one man saw his future, but was scared to say it was a bad one. The picture had told this boy that he was going to die.
Oh, jeez, that's terrible. I don't think I want my future read.
Same here.
Well, that's the news for tonight. Good night and goodbye.
Have a good evening, everyone.